What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Got my dust saber right here. These are some of my favorite items that I've purchased in a long time. I actually got this Nitecore one as a birthday present, and this one I ended up buying from Target on sale. I'm at constant war trying to deal with the dust and the cat hair, and now we have a dog and they are like shedding like crazy. What I try to do is protect my camera lenses and my camera equipment. What I ended up doing was getting an air purifier that supposedly lasts a really long time from Shark, and I ended up getting this blower and vacuum combo and this blower for on-the-go use, client gigs and stuff like that. So I really want to be able to protect my photography gear whether I'm out on the road or I'm at home. I even got a different one, which I really do enjoy using because it plugs in. So it's not a perfect product, but it really does give you the most blowing and suction power. Got a little extension cord because the cord really wasn't long enough. This one, I've been seeing a lot of devices from this company. It's called HOTO, and this one is Nitecore. And the Nitecore one has some flashy features, like it has a light, which is pretty cool. My favorite part is this little brush right here. USB-C charging. You've got silent mode, optical mode, and turbo mode. This is the BB2 electronic blower from Nitecore. I believe it stands for Baby Blower 2. Really fantastic product. Well made, heavy duty, but the battery doesn't last all that long. And then you've got this thing right here. Usually charge this about once a week. This is from HOTO. And when you're using one or the other, you should take it off. This is the vacuum part. The compartment's not that big, and this is the capsule itself. This is a fantastically designed product, and I can see why HOTO is having some success because this thing is awesome. USB-C charging, you can bang it around, the pieces lock in, it comes with a little bag for the accessories. I don't really love the bag, but the product itself is amazing. The vacuum has a little dust filter. Kind of hard for me to choose which one I like the best. For portable ones, it's definitely going to be the HOTO, and for the super portable dust remover, you've got the Nitecore, which is really awesome for a pocketable one. Can't really put this in your pocket that easy, but this one, bang, take that with you. Links in the description for any of these products if you guys are interested. I will break out the big guns for you, so to say. This is the XPower Duster, vacuum and a blower side. The cord itself is way too short. It's like 3 feet or 4 feet long, not enough. The dustbin, pretty big here, and at first I thought I wasn't gonna like this because it was really difficult for me to imagine taking this apart every time I wanted to use it. You really do get the hang of it. Full power blower and vacuum. The blower is insane, the vacuum is insane, but I feel like because it's so powerful, you might actually end up blowing this thing out like long before you would blow out a regular vacuum. It is really that powerful. It even has a little hole in the hose that you actually have to close. If you don't close the hole, you could actually overload the motor. Cleaning and using this XPower Duster is not the easiest thing in the world, but it really does help me with dealing with all the pet hair. And I'll put some links below. They are affiliate links, but they don't cost you anything. And I've been making YouTube or tech videos for 10 years, so I think I deserve a little bit of commission from those affiliate links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly to keep you entertained and well informed. Remember to embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. Believe me, it has worked for me and I know it'll work for you too. I'm working hard out here. I wish you guys a wonderful, happy new year. We're going to do our best, of course, to stay positive and keep our integrity high. Greg with PizzlesTechTime. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.